How to access Child Trust Fund Royal Bank of Scotland. The Royal Bank of Scotland, RBS, is a leading UK bank that provides retail and commercial services, including bank accounts, mortgages, loans, and savings, to individuals and small to medium-sized businesses. You can only access the money in your child trust fund when you turn 18. Before that, a parent or guardian manages the account. If you're unsure where your child trust fund is held, use the free tools on Government UK. You'll need your full name, address, date of birth, and national insurance number if applicable. If your CTF is with Royal Bank of Scotland, you can contact them directly for assistance. For any questions or to give maturity instructions, contact Royal Bank of Scotland at this number. That's it. Thanks for watching.